Here we have the Snowjoe cordless and electric hybrid snowblower. Now, I love the idea of not having to use a cord, because using a snowblower with the cord is a real pain. You always have to know where the wire is, and I have a habit of running it over. Now, the good thing about this is, oh, look at this. Okay, the good thing about this is that it can run for 50 minutes on a full charge, which is more than enough. I will never use the cord, even though it does have that option, because if I have to snowblow for more than 50 minutes, I'm just going to stay home and have hot chocolate. Okay, it also has an LED light. Very good. No more excuses that it's too dark to use the snowblower outside. That is very cool. Let's see what we got here. Safety instructions, those are important. I'm not going to read them now. It's a very pretty blue, like that matters to anybody. Let's see what else we have here. Let me put that down. I am not that big of a woman, and I can lift this on my own. It's not that heavy. Of course, it needs to be put together, so it's a little anticlimactic right now to show you how it works. But I'll try to put it together and then show you. Well, it was pretty easy to put together. It's very light, and let me tell you, it pivots really well. I can't say I'm ready to use it because I really don't want it to snow, but at least I'm prepared.